And then this one is 4 ounce. So 30 ounce. Sayang. Yan yung mga na-expired ko na milk. These are all expired milk. So, yan. Ayun, so hello everyone. Ayan, actually magkapit-bahay lang kami nung in-laws ko, pero ngayon lang namin napag-usapan na meron pa palang mga natirang breast milk doon na pinalagay ko sa kanila way back 2020 pa. So yung mga breast milk ko na expired kasi February 2020 pa yung date noon. So ayun, kasi nga ganito lang naman talaga yung freezer na ref namin dito sa bahay. May mga resibo pa dito. Okay, so dahil dyan, yung chest freezer talaga sa province ko yun ginagamit. So, for this vlog, we are going to talk ano nga ba yung mga pwede mong gawin kapag na-expired yung breast milk mo. Are you just going to throw it out? Or meron ka pang ibang magagawa doon sa mga breast milk para naman hindi sayang yung effort mo, diba? So, I am going to teach you the 3 different things on how to use your expired breast milk. So, come on and let's check it out. Ayan, ito yung mga breast milk na nandun sa bahay ng biyanan ko. February 6, 2020. February 2, 2020. Oh, diba ang sad? This is February. Ayan. So, sobrang sayang. As in. Ito siya. Nag-yellow na siya. Kasi lahat nung... Na-lockdown kasi ako sa Bulacan. So, lahat ng stash ko dito sa QC during the lockdown period, pinadonate ko na to certain hospitals, to those people na nag-chat sa akin, asking for breast milk. So, pinadalhan ko sila ng breast milk. Unfortunately, nawala sa loob namin yung breast milk na nasa biyanan ko. Though sila yung pinakisuyuan ko nito, nakalimutan ko rin kasi nasabihin na yung breast milk na nasa kanila is only good until 3 months lang din. So, super sayang. So, ayan. Yung mga breast milk na to, these are all pumps last year pa. February 4, 2020. So, let's see. These are my stash pa. Ito walang date, but I think it's still the same. Ayan, oh. Well, ano naman siya. May fats pa nga, oh. Have you see that? Nakikita niyo yung mga fats. Sayang, diba? Oh. Fats siya, oh. Super healthy sana nito for preemie babies. Sobrang sayang. So, kung titingnan siya. Wow! Sarap ba maligo?
Yes!
Yes! Sa swimming. So, first thing na pwede nyo gawin with your expired breast milk is actually, pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito. Milk bath. Yes, pwede nyo siyang gawing milk bath. No? Isasama nyo lang siya dito sa water na ginagamit panligo ng mga babies nyo kasi it has natural moisturizer talaga na pwedeng magamit ng mga kids nyo for their skin. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, ayusin ko lang, tapos lagay natin dito. Ayan. So, lalagay lang natin yung milk. You like that, ate? Ice cream.
So, what we're going to do next?
Ayan, that's it.
It's like some fuzz.
Oh!
Stop touching it. It's not that way. Don't eat it. Oh no. I'll get it. Voila.
Ito, 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Ayan. After that, gagamit din tayo ng 3.5 ounce na grapeseed oil. Tapos, if you want, this is just optional, you may use essential oils. Ayan, marami tayong mga mommies na albularyo bang tawag doon? Yes. Okay, actually, ito lang yung meron ako dito na hindi ko pa nagamit before. Try ko to later. And then, we will also be using ito yung vitamin E na oil. Ayan. Aside from that, of course, our main ingredient for this one, of course, it's no other than our breast milk. So, kung gaano karami yung gagamitin mo na grapeseed oil, ganun din karami yung gagamitin mo for your breast milk. As what you can see, meron din ako ditong mga lalagyanan. So, hindi ko pa sure kung ano dito yung gagamitin ko. Kung ito ba, meron din kasi akong binili na plastic na container. Pero kung may container kayo dyan sa bahay, yung empty container of lotion or other cosmetics nyo, you may use that one. In my case, I don't have. So, yan. Let's start. Okay. So, una natin gagawin, mommies, is that itong beeswax, yan, lagay natin siya dito sa microwavable na bowl. Yan. Tapos, pagsasamahin natin sila ng vitamin E oil. Alright, yan. So, nakita ninyo, may mga buo-buo pa yung beeswax. Papainitan natin to sa microwave. After that, so, if you would ask me, ang nagiging texture niya, nagtitiken siya. Okay, nagiging thick yung texture niya. Ayan, so bakit nga ba naisipan kong gumawa nitong breast milk lotion? Kasi yung breast milk natin, aside from rich na to sa antibodies, napaka-healthy nito. So, kung say for example, yung baby ninyo, they suffer from eczema. Aside from that, halimbawa, yung nagkakaroon sila ng acne, which is present din even sa babies, diaper rash, ayan, instead of buying synthetic diaper rash cream, why not try this one? As what you can see in this video, I also used grapeseed oil. Ayan, gumamit ako noon. Pero kung wala kayo ng ganitong oil, pwede kayong gumamit ng coconut oil. Yan, that's another alternative. So, kung meron kayo dyan na extra breast milk and you don't know what to do, or say for example, breast milk na you're not sure kung ayos yung pagkakastore nyo, so the best thing to do for that is not to throw away, but instead use it as a lotion. So, napaka-simple lang nung recipe na to, pero I would just like to remind each and everyone na yung mga ingredients dito, since it's natural talaga, kailangan nakalagay siya sa cool and dry place. Ayan. Try natin siya. Oh, uy. In fairness. So, this is our melted soap base. We are going to mix our breast milk now. This is 5 ounce breast milk. Mix together. Okay, just mix it. Make sure that they will be mixed together. Okay, we should actually remove all these bubbles because this will make our soap unpleasant. Okay, so we have to remove the bubbles from this soap base. Let's mix it. This one, we are going to add just the plain breast milk soap. And we are going to add our scent. Lavender. I chose lavender because this really give me some relaxation. The smells really relaxed me, especially if I'm inside the bathroom and taking a bath. I really love the scent of lavender. The breast milk soap with the lavender scent. And lastly, our breast milk soap with chia seeds.